Welcome back, gamers. It's been a week, and I have to say, what a week it's been. I'm recharged and ready to go. You might be able to tell that I'm going to be playing Apex today by the background music. Figured I'd try it out. Kind of gotten bored of Call of Duty. Quick update, I guess, and quick disclaimer for anybody who was watching the VOD. I'm going to be playing Apex first for a couple, probably an hour or something like that. And then at the halfway mark, I'll switch over to programming. So if you want to watch some programming, timestamps in the description. You can quickly go over to that there. But what I'll be doing today is, as I said, Apex first, and then I'll be building the API server for the Streamerverse project that will serve the backend data that is being already collected live on my server to the front end. And I'll be hopefully it'll be really quick. It'll take one stream to build this because I'm pretty proficient in API servers, I imagine, and I'm really good at Golang, as you may have already seen. So I'm going to be doing that. And also some news. I did look into like the front end, fixing the front end, and then possibly fixing some things on the back end. And I think I've come to a pretty good consensus around everything. And I found like the most optimal algorithm, I guess you could call it, for comparing the streamers' viewer bases, so it's fast and doesn't take too long. There's a lot of data, so it's going to take a bit of time. There's no getting around that. I could try to optimize it more, but I feel like it takes like a minute 30 to compare like Riot Games to XQC, which would probably be the worst case scenario. No, sorry, it takes a minute 30 to compare all the streamers from 1 week, which isn't bad. It is kind of slow, but if I put a loading bar, people kind of accept it. They won't get too mad at it. So I think that'll be good. But enough delaying. Let me go ahead and switch the screen. I haven't played Apex. Disclaimer: I haven't played Apex. I haven't played Apex since the launch of the game. So I have no idea how this is gonna go. I vaguely remember it's kind of like a hero shooter, a hero battle royale. I hear it's gotten a lot better, a lot of improvements, a lot of adjustments, so I'm ready to give it a shot. I don't know what any of this stuff is. You can see I have no levels on this account at all. What's this? Welcome to Apex training mode. Okay, no, I don't care. How do I just... Ooh, okay, here's my rank. Yeah, this count is fresh, as you can tell. There's nothing on this. So I press ready? I guess so. Oh, and... Oh, I have to go through the... Oh, I see what is going on. I have to go through the tutorial. I have no choice.
Welcome to Apex Legends. I am Bloodhunder. You can call me Bloodhound. Let us begin with basic movement. Complete the checklist on your HUD. Follow me. Sliding down hills increases speed.
I have to hold it. Okay.
Inside the territories, you can find supply bins that carry weapons and resources you
Press
will need
F.
to
I know
survive.
this. Come on, open it.
Open one.
Oh, E. Fuck. I don't know it.
Strong work.
Oh, this is
Grab your
sensitive too.
supplies. Your HUD will show what you have equipped. Follow the checklist to access and cycle through your inventory.
Swap. For...
Patching myself up a bit.
Alright, ordnance was this? Nothing. Okay. And then...
Inside the supply bin, you will find a weapon and ammo. Arm yourself. The battle calls upon
I need to change
The
this
slot
setting,
has many
or the
targets as you
sensitivity.
wish.
This is way too high. Yeah, it's good enough.
Shot is important as well as the weapon you hold. Grab a second weapon. The field is full of choices. Remember, you can carry only 2 weapons. To equip another weapon, you must swap out the one you are holding. Choose your new weapon.
New weapon. Not the bow. Okay, yeah. 2 weapons and... Oh, okay. It's click. I prefer hold. I prefer. Can I change that? I prefer hold to zoom in. Toggle fire mode. Hold. There we go. Yeah, I prefer hold to yeah. Okay. How accurate is it at a distance? It's wow. It is dead on. Okay, it's dead accurate even at a distance. Okay, so there's no drop off. That's good. I don't know if that's good, but that's, I guess, fair. Oh, right. Swip, switch, and replace with another weapon. Okay. Repeater.
A powerful key to becoming an Apex legend is communication with your brethren. You can ping different locations, objects, and enemies depending on where you are looking. Follow the checklist to cycle through your pings.
Let's go this way. Contact.
Ping weapon.
Let's explore this way.
Ping the weapon.
Got a 30-30.
Ping the
Heavy
ammo.
here.
Ping menu.
The All-Father blesses you. Pathfinder
Listen
will
up.
continue
People
your
have been through
training.
here.
I will see you again, my fellow fighter. We may even shed blood together.
Let's explore that way.
Okay. It's kind of nice how they kind of give you this really in-depth tutorial before just throwing you into it. I remember with like PUBG, they just threw everybody right into the game. There is no hand-holding.
Hi, friend. I'm Pathfinder. I'm excited to fight you in the ring, but first,
He's
let
tall,
me give
fuck.
you some
Or
helpful
am I just
tips.
short?
Working together in a squad is very important and very fun. Here is your squad mate, a digital utility Mockman intelligent example, or dummy for short. During a match, you or your teammates can get knocked down. But don't worry, with skill, everyone can have the chance to be revived. Just
Let's go
approach
this
your
way.
dummy and hold the prompt button on your HUD to revive them. Great! Welcome back,
I
dummy.
really
Now,
like.
here's a good thing to know.
I know.
Each one of us has a
Okay.
unique tactical
Watch
ability.
me up, Doc.
You are Lifeline, and you have a health drone that distributes health to anyone next to it.
I like playing Pathfinder the most. I remember. I think he was the funnest because he had the most
Great job.
mobility.
Helping
And I
out
kind
your
of,
squad
I
is
like
the
to be kind of like a
best,
really
but
mobile player.
sometimes they die. Don't worry too much. You still have a chance to bring your friend back. Approach Dummy's stash and grab their banner.
Somebody's
Let's
dummy
explore
tick.
this
Great. You can use that banner to bring back your friend
Look at
through
this
any
shit.
active respawn
Wait, what is
beacon.
that? Or is that like? Oh, those ammo
Come on,
stashes.
respawn
Okay.
beacon and
I was wondering what the
when
fuck is
prompted,
going on
hold
with
for
his ass.
activation. Be
Yeah.
careful. It takes some time to contact the dropship. You could get shot. That wouldn't be good. You did it. Here they come.
Not too different from what I remember. I wonder. I think the bow is the only really new thing that is from what I remember.
Welcome back.
Oh, I was looking at the
dummy.
wrong thing.
Here's another thing. Like our tactical abilities, each of us has an ultimate ability that you can use when it's ready.
It's still there.
As Lifeline, your ultimate calls in a Lifeline package that delivers all types of defensive loot from large health
I'm
kits
sorry,
to high-tier
Pathfinder.
body
Wait, hold on.
armor.
Can I get it? Can I get it?
Looks like Dummy needs some stuff. Call in your Lifeline package to help them out.
Oh, you can hold it. I just realized. Oh, you can make it stronger. Come on, stand still for a second, my guy. I need to shoot you in the eye. What am I doing? Ultimate. Oh, that's stupid. Why can't I call it in? Why can't I call it in? What the fuck is going on? I'm pressing the button. What the fuck is going on? What? Really? Fine, there. Fuck. Does it just drop out of the sky or does something come? I pushed it, nothing's happening. What's going on? Did the game just fuck? I'm doing the thing. I'm oh, fuck this tutorial. It's broken.
Patch me up, Doc.
Like, what am I doing? Like, am I doing something wrong? Is there an objective board? Like, the fuck is this shitty bullshit? Maybe I should have been paying attention, but like, is this really how this tutorial is? You can just... It just allows you to get stuck? Like, what am I doing? Okay, I'm just gonna go to menu. Yeah, fuck this. Like I don't know, it glitched or something. Fuck. Oh, and I have to still go through it? Come on. Oh, fuck. I have to go through the training still. Don't tell me it restarts me too. That it does. Fuck this shitty game.
Welcome to Apex Legends.
I don't care.
I am Bloodhunder. You can call me Bloodhound. Let us begin with basic movement. Complete the checklist on your HUD. Follow me. Sliding down.
Fuck. Really? This is really my life right now? I have to fucking do this again? Maybe I should have paid attention to what he was saying.
Inside the territory,
But that's really dumb that they don't tell you. Like, there's no way to know where your objective is, and there's just some way to get stuck.
Open one.
That's just stupid.
Your HUD will show what you have
Yeah,
equipped.
yeah.
Follow the checklist to access and
Come on,
cycle through your inventory.
Yeah.
That's okay. 1 second.
There.
Inside the supply bin, you will find battle calls upon you. Slaughter as many targets as you wish. Each shot is important as well as the weapon you hold. Grab a second weapon. The field is full of choices. Remember, you can carry only 2 weapons. A powerful key to becoming an Apex Legend is communication with your brethren. You can ping different locations, objects, and enemies depending on where you are looking.
Yeah, come on, give me the
to cycle
bullshit.
through your pings.
Might be something good this way. Got a 30 heavy
The
ammo here.
All-Father blesses you. Pathfinder will continue your training. I will see you again, my fellow fighter. We may even shed blood together.
Let's go this way.
Hi, friend. I'm Pathfinder.
Fuck you.
I'm excited to fight you in the ring. But
Yeah,
first,
yeah.
let me give you some helpful tips. Working together in a squad is very important and very fun.
It's kind of different.
Here is your
When you
squad
jump,
mate,
it's kind of like
a
that up and
digital
down
utility
sway.
Mockman Intelligent Example, or Dummy for short. During a match, you or your teammates can get knocked down. But don't worry, with skill, everyone
Yeah, I like
can
this
have
gun.
the chance to be
Hopefully it's a
revived.
good gun.
Just
Might be
approach
something
your
good
dummy
this
and hold the prompt button on your HUD to revive them.
Yeah, reviving them. Come on.
Great. Welcome back, dummy. Now here's a good thing to know. Each one of us has a unique tactical ability. You are Lifeline,
Patch me
and
up,
you have a
Doc.
health drone that distributes health to anyone next to it.
Come on.
Great job.
Speed this
Helping
up.
out your squad is the best, but
Yep.
sometimes they die. Don't worry too much. You still have a
Let me
chance
pick it
to
up.
bring your friend
Let me
back.
pick it up. Come on.
Approach Dummy's stash and grab their banner.
Might be something good this way.
Great! You can use that banner to bring back your friend through any active respawn beacon.
Let's
Be
go
careful.
this way.
It takes some time to contact the dropship. You could get shot. That wouldn't be good.
What wouldn't be good is you
Here
fucking
they
this
come.
tutorial up again. Come on. Speed this up, my guy.
Welcome back, dummy. Here's another thing. Like our tactical abilities, each of us has an ultimate ability that you can use when it's ready. As Lifeline, your ultimate calls in a Lifeline package that delivers all types of defensive loot from large health kits
Yeah.
to high-tier body armor. Looks like Dummy needs some stuff. Call in your Lifeline package to help them out.
That was literally it? Are you shitting me? Are you fucking with me, my guy? I was literally here for like... What? It literally was glitched. Oh my god. Fuck this game. Wait, is it... Wait. No. Like...
Is it?
Here it comes.
What? What is this? What? How broken is this?
Approach it and open it up. Grab what you need or ping items for your friends.
Nope, none of you
That's
got
all
anything.
for me. Great work. Remember, each one of us has different tactical and ultimate abilities, so give us all a try. I get to use zip lines to reach high places and move quickly.
What is this, like fucking third
See you
person
in the
speak?
ring. Woohoo!
Am I done? Oh, that was literally it. That's so bullshit. Like the last fucking training thing glitched out. Kind of loud. There you go. I am push to talk. I am good. What's my push to talk button? Mouse and keyboard. Oh. Guess I'll find out later. My favorite hero is Pathfinder. And where's settings? Settings. Push to talk. What is this? Sound and background. Play text chat as speech. That's kind of weird. Convert incoming voice to chat text. Okay. Mouse and keyboard. Where is mouse, or where is open mic? Push to talk. It's T. Okay. Right, T. That's good to know. Ranked leagues. All party members reach level 10. Okay, that's cool. Firing range. Oh, no, I don't want to do that. No, don't do that either. Trios. Okay, so you can either play trios or duos. Can't play singles. I'll play duos, because... Actually, let's play trios, because I'm going to probably fuck up, and I might as well fuck up with a group of people rather than just me and this other dude. I wonder if anything's really changed. Like, they've got these rewards now that I don't think were there before. It's kind of closer to what COD has. I guess that's fine, because it's a free-to-play game. Like, yeah, if it's free to play, like, I can understand microtransactions. If they had like a box cost and then microtransactions, I'd be a little upset. All right, let's see.
The gust of wind calls our victory.
Oh, I forgot. Everybody takes their turn selecting.
Ain't afraid to match but loser.
You and
That
me,
would be a
friend.
drag.
Hello.
This is your champion.
I have no idea what you just said. You're too quiet, my guy.
I'm the jump master. I won't let you down, except by falling.
This is my first game in a while. I've played this back when it launched.
Let's land here.
Sure.
Okay,
Copy that.
hold your breath. If you have a respiratory system.
Come on. Weapons. Let's go upstairs. Oh! Kingly. Alright, I got this and this. Okay, they're both over there.
Evo shield here. Level 1.
No, 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 no. That's not what I want to do.
I am taking fire, friends.
Thank you.
Come on. Oh, my guy is so slow. I don't remember him being so slow.
Hostile right here.
Let's go this way.
This gun's repeating. I don't really like that.
Say what? Come on, say hello. Listen up, I'm getting shot at.
This guy's so slow, so chunky.
Taking a moment to heal.
Okay, here we go. Fuck this. I don't have no idea what's good and what's bad in this game. I'm just fucking picking up anything and everything. Where's my teammates? Oh, they're up there. How'd they get up there? Okay.
Taking a moment to heal.
That's grapple. Okay, grapple is my ability to go across buildings, if I remember correctly.
Attention. There is a new kill leader.
Watch out.
Throwing thermite grenade. Thermite grenade out.
Okay. Thermite. What are my ordinances?
Sight.
1 minute before the ring closes. We have time.
Shots fired at me.
I think we're just chilling here, I guess. Makes sense. We're all new. Oh, fuck that. Oh, and I'm at the roof. Ooh, bow. Sick bow.
Seconds remain. The ring is nearby.
New kill leader.
Reload. I got the hostile. Let us go this way.
I did not mean to do that.
Reloading. Enemy down.
Hello, my friend.
Reload. I got you, friend.
Hostile right here.
Oh, fuck. Ah, fuck, I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. Oh my god. I'm so sorry. I'm so not used to this game.
Enemy spotted.
Oh, that was awful. That was so bad. Jesus. Fuck. Level 2. Fuck off. Oh, I'm... Accept party? Sure, I'll accept it. Ugh. Where's the audio? It's at 100%. Fuck, he's so quiet. Why is he so quiet? I have no idea what this map is. Never played it. I only played that one map where it was with the giant like fucking dinosaurs roaming around. Whatever the fuck they were called.
Powered up and ready to go.
I am Blood Hunter. You can call me Bloodhound.
Get ready. Today is not gonna be easy.
I appreciate the seizures with that.
Introducing your champion.
This might be a good place to land.
Okay.
Wherever you want.
Battle lies below.
Come on, there we go.
Hostile close.
Why does my guy move so fucking slowly?
Attention.
First blood on the enemy.
Hostile over there.
Beginning ring countdown.
Come on. Oh fuck, I keep pressing that button by accident. I keep forgetting what my fucking right mouse button does. Or my right mouse, my fucking button 2 of my mouse.
Enemy over there. Zip line here.
Oh come on, really? Okay.
Listen up, I'm getting shot at. Reloading. Enemy down.
I took an enemy's life.
Reloading.
Taking a moment to recharge my shields. Scanning the area.
I think it's below.
Ring
Fuck me.
nearby, 1 minute till close. Stop, I'm getting shot at. Big up to us. That was the last one in the squad.
Less than 1 minute. The ring is not far.
$15 squads left. I really need to get used to these controls. Like,
The ring's close.
one, I'm still not used to I don't know how to fucking grapple or climb in this game. Like, I feel like climbing and maneuvering like that is really essential to this game, and I'm just like, look at that. I try to fucking grapple, and then I completely fuck it up.
The ring's close. 10 seconds.
How do you get up there?
Grappling.
Oh, you shitting me? Seriously?
Have it here.
The ring's moving, friends.
Got an extended energy mag right here. Level 2.
No, I'll keep what I got.
Let's go this way. Energy ammo here.
Ooh. Oh, didn't mean to do that. How do I use this stuff? That's how.
Giving my shields a recharge.
I have 2 repeater type weapons. I probably shouldn't. I probably should have like some.
Like a care package is coming in. Big things in that.
I think we're just chilling here. How do I open up the map? Oh, okay. We need to go that way.
Focusing my vision on this spot.
Why are we going over there? Isn't that the like the opposite? Oh no, that is the right way. Oh, that's why.
Grappling.
I guess that's why I'm so slow, because I can just grapple every like 13, 15 seconds and just propel me across the map. Really? Feels like it's really finicky, this fucking grapple. I have no idea what's good and what's bad, so I'm just gonna stick with the flat line. Hopefully that's good. It's really your choice if you want to use it or not.
Here's your birthday present.
Do I have any attachments I can add? I don't think I do.
Kill leader appointed.
Keep eyes on the kill leader.
I want to get a scope for this.
Extra supplies over here. Sniper stock here. Level 3.
Where's the center? We're in the map right now, but we have to keep going this way.
Taking a moment to recharge my shields.
Mid-tier loot. So each zone has a different tier of loot, I guess. I think that's new.
Let's explore this way.
Heard that.
Oh, this is the same map we were on before.
Marking our surroundings.
What the fuck? Like there, I just started climbing and I don't know how I did that.
Countdown.
Heavy ammo here.
I already got enough of that.
Replicator being delivered.
I could use that.
Have this squad remain.
Replicator incoming, friends.
Let's go with the roof. I think there's the best loot up here. I just feel it.
I've got an Evo shield here. It's cool. Level 2.
I'm starting getting the hang of it.
I need shotgun ammo.
That did nothing.
Might be target over there.
Marking our surroundings.
Fire on the enemy.
really wish I had a scope right about now.
We should go this way. Contact with target.
Kilometer avoided.
Come on, poke me. Poke me. Come on, you little shit. I know you're there.
Getting some damage over here. Recharging my shield.
Scanning the area.
Fire, friends.
What?
Coming to us. There's another squad.
Taking fire. Enemy dump.
Recharging shields.
Come on.
Reloading. Recharging shields.
Just giving my shields a recharge.
Took out the hostile. I took the vault key.
I am taking fire, friends.
Am I hitting the railings? Like, what is going on?
Marking our surroundings.
How am I missing these shots? Fuck. My Call of Duty skills just that rusty now?
But alive. Contact.
Reloading.
Contact with target.
Reloading. Eliminated the whole squad. Exciting.
Looks like a care package is coming in. Evo shield here. Level 2.
Doesn't look like I got any meaningful upgrades. Well, I actually got a scope on this, so I wouldn't say that. Whoa, beautiful.
This way. Hostile over there.
Taking a moment to heal.
I've got an Evo shield here. It's cool. Level 2.
Contact.
Bless me with
Giving the shields a recharge.
I gotta
I am
recharge.
recharging myself.
Oh, I gotta heal up.
reloading. I took
Look, I'm getting shot at.
I'm taking fire. I found a hostile.
Oh my god, you gotta be shitting me. I am whiffing.
Squad.
I'm so bad. I'm so bad.
Gun ammo.
Healing my wounds.
I think I'm getting closer.
Recharging shield.
Body shield here. Level 4.
All fun. Let us go this way.
Repairing my damages.
Come on.
Recharging my shields. The ring is close.
Recharging shields.
Scanning the area.
Might be
Let's go
something
this
good
way.
this way.
Open supply bin over here.
Copy that.
Where the fuck are they?
Hostile spotted.
I'm really fucking bad with this. And they're really fast. Fuck, I'm really shit at this game. I really gotta
30 seconds remain.
fucking
The ring is nearby.
improve my skills with just everything, it feels like. I'm so rusty in every single department. I think I've gotten like, we've killed 5 people as a squad, and I've killed maybe like 1 person out of that 5. I think I may be even helpful at like telling people where they are, but that's about it, I feel. Oh, he's got the bow and arrow. Cool. Reload. Come on, give me up.
Might be something good this way.
In progress.
I'm taking fire.
I killed an enemy. I'm taking fire, friends.
Reloaded. I've spotted, taking fire.
Airstrike.
Woo!
Healing my wounds.
I am taking some damage.
Recharging my shields.
Fuck me, why am I so slow? Am I stunned? What is this? I've never experienced this in my life.
Giving my shields
Fuck.
a recharge.
Round 4. Beginning ring countdown.
Hostile over there. Got some extra supplies.
I gotta reload, I just realized. Come on. I don't want to be a hindrance to this team. I feel like that's all I am right now. There's 4 squads left, 11 people total.
Two enemy squads
Attention.
leader.
Security leader has been eliminated.
Reloaded. Big up to us.
New
That
kill
was the
leader
last one in the
appointed.
squad. Only one squad left. I'm the kill leader. We got this. 1 minute. Rings nearby.
Oh, there's that thing.
45 seconds. Rings close. Backpack here. Level 4.
Might be something good this way.
Here I go. Only 30 seconds left on the clock. The ring's close.
I need shotgun ammo.
Anything worthwhile? Med kits. Come on, where's this backpack?
Someone's been there.
Oh, fuck. I keep forgetting about my team.
Rings hostile spotted. Target spotted.
Marking our surroundings.
Warning. Ring movement
Here's
in
your birthday
progress.
present.
Does it tell me when I'm close enough? Yeah, when it goes blue like that.
Keeping up, I'm getting shot at.
Oh no! There's an airstrike on our position. Watch out.
Trust in the All Father.
Package over here.
Shots fired at me.
Where are they at? Where are they at?
Frag grenade set. Frag grenade set. Reloading.
I'm spotted. Taking fire.
Woo! Look at that! Fuck me! Wow, good job, guys.
You are the Apex champions.
Doppler really pulling it through. Fuck me. Oh, this is fun. I'm loving this so far. That felt good. That last shot was insane. I fucking pinged him out of the air. That was beautiful. All right. It looks like I'm not as rusty as I thought I was, and it just needs a little bit more practice. Kind of get used to it. Ooh, I wonder, and that was, oh wow, we're already at 45 minutes. Fuck, I've only played 2 games and already at 45. Oh. That lighting is glitching the fuck out on the lifelines thing. I think I'll play probably 1 or 2 more before I switch over to Golang, because like I don't want to spend too much time on this. And I've been pretty quiet because like I've been trying to really focus when I get into these games, which is kind of really bad. Because like I'm supposed to be kind of streaming, and I can't really stream and really focus die hard in the game at the same time because I just go silent. Which I think is a kind of commonality between streamers. It's like if you go really die hard, you just go completely silent. And hopefully I can improve that as I just kind of genuinely learn the game, so I don't go silent all the time. And maybe I can add commentary as I go
I
through.
just polished my grapple.
Ready to go.
I have no idea what he's saying.
This is your champion.
6 kills is our champion. Okay, I don't think we have a lot to contend with. Alright, I think we might be able to pull this through.
I'm the jump master. I won't let you down, except by falling.
Where are we going? I didn't see that. You guys just ping a place and I'll go there. I don't really know.
I say we land here.
Alright.
Here we go. It's a long drop. Fun.
Okay.
Collecting weapons, pick up everything you fucking can.
Marking our surroundings.
Beginning ring countdown.
Lucky us. We are already inside the ring.
Attention.
Shooting at me.
First blood.
Reloading.
I downed a hostile.
Going here, dude. Hostile right here. I am taking fire, friends. I am down.
Fuck me, that was awful. Granted, I only had a pistol.
Fire.
Ah. I'm still not used to the key presses. I was just spamming buttons there for a second.
Damn it.
Alright, I guess one more was true because I just fucked that. Apex packs? I don't care. Don't care about your stupid Skinner box elements. Just let me play my game. Oh fuck, I just dropped my phone. Whoops. Still good. Don't worry, I got like an otter case on it. I think will never break. To get these other ones, do I have to like buy a pack? I wonder, or can I just give it to me in the game through some normal progression? I hope you just can get them. That'd be kind of weird if you had to buy a pack to get the other possibly better legendaries or legendaries heroes. I guess they'd be. What is this crafting bullshit? Like, there's so many systems in this game that I just don't know what the fuck's going on with.
It's time to impress.
You and I will survive together.
ready to go.
Grapple hook, okay. Yeah, so I just realized my Q button's bound to a mouse too on the mouse. Kind of self-evident, but that's kind of convenient. That sounded similar how I got it set up in 0 kills is the kill lead. Okay, that's weird. In
This is awesome.
COD.
I'm the jump master.
I say we land here.
Hold your breath. If you have a respiratory system.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Pick up everything inside.
Here.
Round 1. Beginning ring countdown.
Come on. There
Attention.
we go.
First blood.
Scanning the area.
Using grapple. First blood, and it's not us. Wonderful.
Let's explore this space. Enemy over there.
Okay, scout. This is an assault rifle. This looks like kind of a one tap.
Target spotted.
New kill leader appointed.
Copy that. New kill leader, as out for him.
Here I go.
Up. That way too high. Sentinel. Is that a bolt action sniper? Is that the gun I was using before? I think that was. Switched to it. Oh yeah, this is it. Ooh, I like this. I have 4
Target
shots.
spotted.
Enemy over there. Fire. Taking fire, friends. Making contact with enemy.
Contact with hostile.
Hostile right here.
Champion right.
Anything else there?
Listen up, I'm getting shot at. Reloading.
Reloading.
Enemy down.
Contact with target.
Contact. Contact with hostile. Contact with hostile. Making contact with enemy. Hostile right here.
What? Oh, that's. Fuck. I pinged him in the head, but apparently that wasn't enough.
Lay low. I will assist you.
Evo shield here. Level 3.
Ah, alright, one more. Trust me. This is the last one now. Fuck. I can already see myself getting addicted. I didn't realize that was a fucking burst weapon. I was holding it down thinking, it's like, wait, where's the next pair of shots? And then I realized, oh, there are no more shots. And I have to hit it again. Like, fuck. That's so annoying. I really should look into like the meta around what's considered like the best guns. I like that sniper. That bolt action's fun. And I'm getting better with it. I was able to ping those 2 guys pretty easily. Granted, they were easy shots because they were just coming at me straight on. But I'm surprised they were able to take like one guy was able to take 2 shots from it. I feel like that's kind of unfair. That thing's like a fucking heavy duty assault rifle, not assault rifle, bolt action, like a 50 cal. I suppose it's supposed to be emulating.
I'm ready. Let's get the job done.
Powered up and ready to go.
I guess both Bloodhound and Pathfinder are considered scouting classes in this game, so maybe it isn't the best like meta to have them both in the same group, in the same.
I'm the jump master.
Yeah, same
I
group.
won't let you down, except by falling.
Good. I'm the jump master. This might be a good place to land. Get ready. Moving up.
I wonder if that actually helps the waviness when he
Let's go
does.
this way.
Copy that.
Fuck. I thought I was gonna find something, but I'm just an idiot. I am just purely an idiot. Fuck. Why am I so stupid? Why did I do that? I just wasted so much of my time doing that.
Scanning the area.
Fuck me. I'm so stupid.
Round 1. Beginning ring countdown.
Lucky us, we are already inside the ring.
Enemy spotted.
Fuck. I have no weapons. I have no fucking weapons. Oh. Okay, I guess we're going for it.
First blood. Good thing it's not us. Enemy down.
Reloading. Took out a hostile.
I am taking fire.
Get me over this. I'm out of fucking ammo for that.
Hostile close.
Holy shit. The fuck was that?
Reloaded. Knock one down and a boom boom.
Avoided.
I'm the kill leader. No wrong with me. Just giving my
Give me that, and give me that. Actually, oh no, Mozambique. Fuck that. I remember that gun. That gun's shit.
Let's explore this way. Deploy and head drone.
That gun's poo-poo garbage. Pee-pee poo-poo. There we go. I think I like this submachine gun. I
Taking a moment to
vaguely remember it. I'll take him.
Let's go this way.
Just giving my shields a recharge.
Less than 1 minute. The ring is not far.
I need ammo.
Evo shield here. Level 2.
Where's ammo? Give me ammo. Come on.
Not far from the ring. Half a minute.
Bocek here. Wield it and become one with the hunt.
I don't want to run the bow. I'm not confident enough in that shit. Where are we? Wait to the.
Contact with target. Fire.
Scanning the area.
There's some ammo.
Hostile close.
Contact with enemy.
Reloading.
Reloaded.
Ring closing.
I can see that the ring.
Frag grenade set. Reloading.
Are they still both up? There they are. Okay. I don't want to lose my team. I feel like I keep dilly-dallying and I keep losing them.
Took out a hostile.
Hostile right here.
We killed the last member.
Care
Good
package
work,
being
team.
delivered.
I need light ammo.
Embrace that kill.
There's a care package coming down.
Let's see about the other guy. I feel like I'm getting used to it, and I was completely right in my assumption about this gun. This gun's insane, and I have a lot of shields. I just realized, fuck, it's a bit too many.
Making contact with enemy.
Ooh, there's the Sentinel, but I don't think so. I think I'll keep with the assault rifles and SMGs.
Reloading.
Switch.
Reloading.
That's a bad idea.
Reload. Repairing. Just us left. I am repairing myself.
Enemy down.
Reloading.
Making contact with enemy.
Don't worry, I'm here.
Nice.
Squad down. Now we can loot them. Reloading.
I need light ammo.
Uh, where are you at? Did Doppler get you?
Pass me that sugar.
Repairing. Giving my shields a recharge. Recharging shield.
All the shields. I just realized I have no ammo. Neither does this guy. I have ammo for this, thankfully, but no ammo for my SMG, which I think is the better gun. That's rough. Oh, I just realized. What's going on here?
Making contact with enemy.
Champion out.
Fuck, that was close. Jesus, that was right on my tail.
Round 2.
Contact with target.
Beginning ring countdown.
Next ring's far.
Replicator being delivered.
They're dropping a replicator.
Get up.
Yeah, no, that's fucked.
Grenade.
I can't see anything from there. They're just gonna ping us again if we wait too long. I think we should.
Hostile right here.
Yeah, I guess we'll get in front of them and get our teammate.
Using grapple.
Oh, that's not the ammo I want. I want SMG ammo.
Let's explore this way.
No, I need some of that.
Energy ammo here.
Keep eyes on the new kill leader. I need light ammo.
We both need light ammo. Fuck, that's rough. Where's Doppler? There he is.
Zip line here.
I think. Oh, my helmet. I just realized is fucking garbage tier. And so does his armor. He needs to get better armor, that guy. Do you spawn with your items? I don't think you do. Oh. Yeah, that would make sense if you spawn with your items against somebody. Yeah, that sucks.
30 seconds remain. The ring is nearby.
I guess that'd make sense. If you spawn with your items, that'd be so unfair. Come on. Come on. What is this? Attachment? I don't know what that is, but I'll just take it because it's purple.
Things around the corner. Shield battery here.
That's the state I'm at. I'm just picking things up because they're purple. I still don't know what's good and what's bad. I just see purple, I pick
The
up.
ring's moving, friends.
Target over there.
Hostile spotted. Target over there.
Frag grenade set.
There's a lot of them over there.
Reloading.
Enemy taken down.
I need that ammo.
Oh, that's friendly.
Taking fire.
I thought that was an enemy.
Reloading.
Fire. Reloading. Say what? Whole squad knocked.
Half the squad remain.
Evo shield here. Level 3.
Anything worth it to me?
Loot vault here. We need that key.
Are we in the zone? No, we're going out. Whoop! That's a clear indicator we're going the wrong way.
Hostile right here. Reloading.
The fuck is that? Whoop!
Recharging shields. Replicator incoming, friends.
Contact with hostile. Listen up, I'm getting shot at.
I am taking fire.
I don't have any ammo, I just realized again.
Heard that.
He's just running around outside the zone? The fuck is going on?
Look out, grenade.
Or was that?
Charging my shield.
Contact with hostile. Grenade, watch out.
Thermite grenade set.
Where is this asshole?
I am taking fire, friends.
Jesus, that was a fucking heavy hit.
Giving my shields a recharge.
Reloading.
Hostile right here.
I think we need to get out of here. I'm just gonna...
Giving my shields a...
All father, give me sight.
45 seconds. Rings close.
Fuck me. Just all the shields.
Repairing my damages.
Just a minute. Ring is near. Taking a moment to recharge my shields.
Energy ammo here.
Hitting up the zip line.
Hostile spotted. I need
No.
that ammo.
Almost there. We are close to the... Thank you.
I got you. Now keep moving.
We need to keep moving. We need to keep moving. Gotta get closer to that point.
Use the mask.
Reloading. Enemy down.
This gun's amazing.
Bless me with sight.
Oh, that's...
I downed a hostile.
Let's move this way.
Jesus.
Patching myself up a bit. This way, let's go.
Fuck me. Oh,
Hostile close. Enemy taken down.
Let's bring our mates home. You know it's just us. We got to watch it.
I love that. That's fucking hilarious. Jesus, no ammo. What is going on with these guys?
Let's explore this way. Just getting my shields and
I need some ammo.
Rings nearby. 1 minute till close. That's our lead spawner. Let's grab it.
Okay.
Ready to fly on a zip line. Oh yeah.
Coming to get you.
5 seconds. Rings just up ahead.
Oh,
Don't worry.
that is annoying.
Enough. I'm getting shot at.
You need to grab it on the bridge and pull the stuff.
Yeah, I fell down. I'm gonna come back up.
30 seconds remain. The ring is nearby.
The zone's gonna work you back.
10 seconds. The ring's just ahead. Graber here.
Do you want to take it? You want to take it?
Warning.
The zone's gonna work. You're going
Rings moving.
like 2 seconds left.
Hostile close.
Run.
Recharging my shields.
People on the left, coming up top.
Yeah, here I'm up top.
Contact with target. Just giving my shields a recharge.
Hostile close.
Round 5. Beginning ring countdown.
Hostile over there.
Okay. One minute. Rings nearby.
I stay ahead zone. Take it back.
Recharging my shields.
I think there's a guy near me.
Rings close.
Yeah, who's the one?
Only 30 seconds left on the clock. The ring's close.
This is so tense. Ooh, I don't want to lose this close to fucking the end. My fucking armor is just dinked to all hell.
Ten seconds. The ring is fairly close.
Reloaded. The last one down at the boom boom.
Contact.
On this way. Listen up. I'm getting shot at. Firing.
Fine.
Recharging my shields.
Send it.
Let's contact with target. Let's explore this way.
Can I get over to that side? I can't.
Need to heal this.
Contact with Asphalt.
Taking fire, friends.
Let's go this way.
Does he have the armor? Nope.
So that's
Fire. Reloaded.
Beginning ring countdown.
Oh!
Not far from the ring, half a minute. I'm spotted, taking fire.
See if I can get in.
Recharging my shields.
Ooh, it's my work.
Rings around the corner, turn left.
Giving my shields a recharge.
Just giving my shield a recharge. Deploying health drop. Rings moving.
Recharging shields.
Oh, fuck me.
There's another squad attack. Reloading. Contact. Help. Making contact with enemy.
Last one down out of boom boom.
What the fuck was he doing? What was he doing? What the fuck was that? Why was he just targeting me? What the fuck?
You are the Apex champions.
Oh, that was so stupid. How the fuck did we win that?
Down they have to use time for oh my god. Sorry, one kill at nine.
Alright, I think I'm gonna hop off. Thanks, guys. That was good.
Yeah, cool.
That was so stupid. Oh my god. Why the fuck did that work? Why the fuck did that work? He was just soloing me. He was like, I have to kill this down person. Oh, that was so stupid. Oh, it was so stupid but so funny. Oh, I'm so glad that happened. Okay, I'm gonna switch over to actually programming now. All right, let's remove this and go Golang. Programming. There we go. Let's save that bullshit. God, that was so stupid. All right, 1 second. I'm just opening up the project. Or actually, I'll create a new project. Actually, I should say, because I don't have the project ready to go. And what do I want to call this? What do I want to call the back end? I'll call. So the collector is called Streamerverse. The front end is just Sieg, my name, and then what do I want the API server to be called? I don't really know. What do I want it to be called? Rapid? No, that doesn't. Cluster? I might call it cluster or what do I want to call it? Oh, I don't even know what to call it. Like, this is a key moment in any programming, is naming your project, and I think I'm gonna call it. I don't want to call it serve. That's so stupid, and I don't want to call it API either. Oh, what's a good name? Pathfinder. That'd be funny. Apex. No, that's stupid too. What's something to do with APIs? Cluster. I'll call it cluster. Don't ask why. I'm just calling it cluster because that's kind of the purpose it's gonna serve. It's gonna serve the data, cluster it, and then display it. I guess that's the kind of thinking that I'm going with. But hey, that's kind of stupid to be honest. Because like, if you think about it, almost everything in programming kind of clusters data. It's kind of dumb to say, ooh, cluster, the fucking program that does absolutely nothing in relevance to its name. All right, let me flip the displays. There we go. All right, cool. Now I'm on actual programming. No more of that bullshit. Oh, right. Well, let me add some background music too, so it's not just dead ass quiet. Let's go with. What games do I want to go with? I'll go with him. I'll go with some lo-fi stuff. Hopefully I don't get fucking destroyed on copyright charges or copyright claims, DMCAs, whatever you have them. Alright, let's go ahead and actually do this now. Alright, so an API server, what does it do? Very simply, it's as the name suggests, application program interface. It's basically a way for your front ends or any sort of third-party system to interact with your system. It's an interface, that's as the name implies. So how do we go about writing an interface? Well, I should say, what kind of interface are we going to be building? Well, we're going to be building an HTTP interface because we're going to be querying, or not querying, but calling the back end, which will transport the data over the HTTP protocol to the front end, to the graph displaying software that I've written. So to start off with, we need to actually set up a HTTP service in Golang. How do you do that? Well, there's numerous ways to do that. My favorite, let me go ahead and do this, Golang API framework. Quick, easy step, search. And let's see, there's, never heard of Revel. There's Gin, I know of Gin. Martini, yeah. WebGo, Gorilla, that's pretty popular. Gogi, BGo. The one I like to use the most is Gochi. Gochi is not Gochi. Gochi. Golang. Come on. There it is. Gochi. There we go. It's a lightweight amount composer for building HTTP services. It's especially good at helping you write large REST API services that are kept maintainable. And I like it, and it's got 9.4 thousand stars. I think that's a good indicator of its quality. But for argument's sake, let's look at some of the other ones. Golang, HTTP, library. Or not HTTP library, sorry. API library. I guess HTTP API library. There we go. Go Resty. Okay, Revel. So first and foremost, fully featured. Take away icons. It's fully featured for some to be negative. Well, it's great. It's very large. Yeah. Fuck it. I actually don't care. If you want to go look at, like, I always recommend just research all the different options available to you and go with whichever one you think is the best. But I like Gochi. It's lightweight. It's super simple router. It's fast, as it says, and it's really simple to use, as you can see right here. All you have to do is start it up simply. Chi new router, and let's go ahead and import both of these actually, and then get Go modules going. Go mod tidy. Got mod tidy. Go mod, if you don't know, Go modules is like the built-in Golang packaging software. So this is how, like with Python, there's pip. With Java, I don't know what Java does. It's just importing libraries, bullshit. And then with, I believe with like Rust, there's the Rust package manager that I've heard like legends about. Like apparently it's like the best package manager out there. But Golang uses Go mod. There used to be one called dep before Go had its official one, before Go officially supported one of the module or package builders, which wasn't bad, but mod I think definitely simplified things with just the mod files. Alright, there we go. And now r.use. Okay, they're using the middleware logger. I'll add it because actually, do I want to? Because it might print out my IP address. No, I won't use it because I don't want you to see my IP address. But there's a lot of different built-in middlewares. Like let's see, middleware dot timeouts, auth, content. Oh, that's actually a good idea. I might do that later, but for now... Oh, wait, here's some good ones. Request ID, real IP, recover. What's this one again? Recovers a malware that recovers from panic logs, the panic and backtrace returns if possible. Recover panics. I don't think I'm gonna panic, so I'm gonna keep that a little bit out of this. I think that's good enough. There's this another. I think I might use the content because it'd just be JSON, the content that I'm gonna be returning. You can return it in any sort of fashion you want, like YAML, XML, like whatever encoding you want. But JSON's just like an easy, universally known. Throttling. That'll probably be good because I'll probably want to throttle people if they try to like spam my endpoint, or I might just add some caching. But it doesn't look like I need any middleware right now, so that's good. I'll just keep it out of it. And let's add our basic endpoint. So, what do I want to call it? So it's going to be api.sig.gg/something. And what do I want that /something to be? I think slash Streamerverse, I think, is a good start, because you never know, I might use this API server for other things. So I should be explicit in what I define as the REST endpoints, or the URIs they're called. And actually, let's go ahead and mount Streamerverse. And let's create a new package called Streamerverse for anything Streamerverse related. I'm going to call this router. Let's make a new, I believe they show it, mount, there we go, admin router, here it is, okay. Router http.handler. Come on. Get rid of this. Streamerverse.router. Capitalize that. And then here we do basically recursion of what we saw above. New chi router, and then not that, and then Streamerverse, and then let's say Twitch. Do I want to go Twitch? Yeah, let's go Twitch, because I'll split this into Twitch data and YouTube data, because they wouldn't ever intermingle. So I'll go Twitch, Streamerverse. No, let's go Streamerverse data group / data function r dot get Twitch. There we go. And then I'll have in Streamerverse a file for Twitch. I spelled twit because I'm a twat. I don't actually really know what that word means, but I am going to appropriate it as is customary. YouTube. Actually, I'll keep YouTube out for now because I don't have anything to do with it, and I don't really need this dead file. And then fetch Twitch data. HTTP request writer, HTTP response, and this is a memory address, and there we go. And then we just say fetch Twitch data. Did I do something wrong? I think I did. Oh, it's route, not group, sorry. There we go. Ta-da! And it's rg.router. There we go. Do response writer. Oh, request writer. Request? Response? No, this is response writer, and then this is request. Oops, I had them backwards. There we go. Should be right. Yep, there we go. Now we're good. Alright. And if you're wondering how I was able to do all that, just A, because I've used this library quite a bit, so I already know it off basically by heart. B, because it's basically written in the docs everywhere. Like, you can kind of figure it out. Like, go back to main, I guess. Mount. How did I know to use mount to kind of link a separate endpoint? Well, right here. Mount the admin subrouter. So we mount Streamerverse to the Streamerverse router. And then, okay, we go to, similarly, we go down to the admin router, which is right here. Yeah. And then we say, okay, this is our sub router, and we have routes, data, Twitch. There will also be route later on, YouTube, or I guess YouTube data, or fetch YouTube data. And it'll be like that. And this way, the API endpoint will look like actually I'll do this, api.seek.com/streamerverse/data/twitch. Like that. That's what the endpoint will look like. Simple. Or if I don't want to do subdomains, I can even go like API like that. And I can even add versions. I can go API v1. Like if I want to, I can do versioning, but I don't think I will. So it's just gonna look like that. Simple enough. Probably should add this to the library. Come on. More actions. Save Streamerverse to dictionary. There we go. Now I won't complain about it every single time. But simple enough. Easy. I could have just make this like one endpoint, like data / like that, but I'm just kind of future-proofing it a bit. Okay. Easy. GG's. And then now I gotta serve it. I gotta go HTTP, listen and serve on address 8080. That's kind of like the default HTTP address that everybody uses. You can use really whatever you want, but that's kind of what I like to use. Unhandled error, beautiful. Let's see. If there's an error, we'll just panic, because I don't care right now. Like you see here, he's using 333, and here he's using 3000. Like, it's really whatever you want. There's, the sky's the limit, and there's nothing stopping you from using any other port. And what this means is basically local host port 8080. I could specify whatever IP address I want here, but I'm just going to use local host. So this should be good. And we're also going to need our good old favorite config. Yeah, there's going to be another config loader that I'm going to have to add. Load.go function load var, actually type config struct DSN, I believe it's what it's called, if I remember correctly, or database URI, yeah, database URI, I'll just call it that, it's easier to remember. And anything else that I want to do? I could specify a unique port, a custom port. Like I could go port and then like add that on to the end there. But I don't think I will. I think I'll keep it. I'll keep it a buck and just go with this for now, because that's all I really need, is just to be able to connect to the database. And if you can't already tell from this, I'm going to be probably using GoPG again, like I did with the Streamerverse collection service thing. Okay. File error. Now we're gonna load in the file OS, or no. Yeah, OS open file config.json. If error not equal to nil, panic error. That file better goddamn exist, or it's just gonna panic. I guess in preparation for that, new file config.json, and I'll have to add in the database URI at one point. But for now, there we go. What do I want to do? Okay, yeah, now that I have it open, I need to decode it. JSON new decoder file, decode that into variable CFG config is a config. Wow. Make it a pointer. I guess that might not work considering that it may not be initialized, so I should probably do this. There we go. Now it'll be at least an empty string or an empty struct that it can load into. And I probably shouldn't just panic, I should probably return the error up for panicking in main. Error F, failed to open config file. And then this one, return format error F, failed to decode config file. There we go. Turn nil, nil, there we go. And error not equal to nil. Simple. What else is there to do? I guess load it. I should call that first. Error config load panic. Panic. Come on. Panic error. Not equal to nil. Ta-da! Simple enough. Loads the config. Now we can use it throughout. And then we're gonna need another, not file. I could make this all really just one, like, top level folder, but I'm trying to keep good separation of concerns between all the packages, because usually you kind of see this in Golang libraries or just Go in general, where they put everything at the top, which makes sense because, like, when you put things down to the lower level packages in Go, you can get into really sticky situations with, like, circular dependencies, which is really annoying to have to deal with. But for good code quality and good readability, I'm going to separate them out into lower level packages. Var db go, or I guess I should import. Let's get go PG in here. At first, I thought this library was garbage, but after using it for a bit and learning about it, it's pretty goated. I'm not gonna lie. I'm just stupid, I think is what it was. Usually is what the case is. If I say something's bad at the beginning and then later go back on that, that's just, you can obviously tell I'm a fucking idiot. And don't take my word at face value. Just kind of just do a bit of research yourself. Come on, like, I can only be so smart. Like, I know I may appear like a godlike programmer to some, but I'm really not. And if you couldn't tell, that was sarcasm. I'm not. I don't think of myself that highly. What is it? PG? Or I guess I should do. Yeah, it'd be PG dot database or something like that. There we go. PG.db. Okay. and that's gonna be that. It's gonna be a pointer if. Okay, let's connect. How do I do connections again? Database equals pg dot connect. Oh, I remember right. URI error pg parse config.config.database URI error not equal to nil. Return the error up. Return error. And we connect with options. Or does it return options? It does. Okay, so I can just do this. Options. DB. Why is this complaining? Oh, it's unused, that's why. I guess connect isn't a good name for this then, because if I'm going to put close and connect in the same one, let's just rename this to database dot database. That's good enough. db dot close. Return. There we go. Why is this complaining? Unused function. It will be used eventually, so I don't think it matters. What else do I want to do? I think I need to ping it if I recall. Like, I think you connect and you're supposed to ping it to make sure it's live. I think that was how you do it. Yep, you're supposed to ping it. DB, ping, ta-da, done. Maybe I shouldn't export the DB. Yeah, I'm not gonna export it. I'll keep it internal. I don't want random packages just implementing random garbage functions. I'd rather it all be centralized in the database package. Nil. Okay, that gets it. Okay. I believe that's everything for just connecting, pinging. Or no, don't panic. I just don't notice that. Return the error. I guess, yeah, I can just do this, actually. There. If there's an error, it'll return the error. If not, it'll be all Gucci. Okay, cool. Let's go back to main. Oh, I just realized, yeah, I gotta do if error database dot connect. And I didn't export those like usual. There we go. Panic error. Defer database close. If error not equal to nil. Database close. Format dot print line error. There we go. I don't want it to panic here because it's already closing down, so I don't want anything else to go wrong at that point. But easy enough. Closing the database connection, loading it, setting up the router, mounting our first database point. Do I have Postman on here? I do. Alright, cool. Postman's what I use to query endpoints and API calls. Let's move this out of the way first. What? What the fuck was that? I don't know if you just heard that, but the fucking music just said top 10 anime a plot twist. That fucking caught me off guard. What the fuck? All right, there's Postman to send API requests. All right, this looks Bucci. Okay, I guess I could do a test to see if this all goes. Actually, I'll just set up the endpoint and then I'll do the test because I'm confident that I'm not stupid. And I set this up completely and 100% accurate, and there's no problems anywhere. And if there is a problem, it's not my fault. Let's go ahead and do. I don't want to do this. I'm probably gonna have to add some database endpoints such as ooh, that's right. Do I want to make these glow? Yeah, I think I'll do that. I'll just do fetch how do I want to structure this? So I want to fetch every single viewer with ISO weeks, I believe would be the, yeah, let's do that. So first off, let's go ISO weeks. I guess it shouldn't start capitalized. Just go ISO weeks and ISO weeks, which are strings. Is that right? I don't even know if that's right. String. I don't feel like that's right. I feel like I fucked up. Damn. Yeah, that's wrong. ISO weeks. Oh, I know what it is. This and then 1, 2, 3. Ah, there we go. That's the ticket. That's the money. Okay. If ISO weeks dot lengths equal to 0, it's gonna return something. I don't know what yet. An error. I guess I should have that go file modules. I don't like how they're kind of separated between the two packages. I'd rather they shared it, but I'm not too picky right now, so I'm just gonna just keep it separate for now. I'd rather they shared the definition of viewer and streamer, but for now I'll just keep them separate. And then the viewer has ID string, JSON ID, or streamer ID string, streamer ID, and then ISO week, which is going to be a string. There we go. An array of viewers. And streamer ID equals string. That's not how you do variables in Golang. No snake case, all camel case. Return format error F. No ISO weeks specified. Can't do a 0 lookup. Now what I want to do, database dot query an array of viewers, and I believe I should do I'm not gonna do that. Fuck it. Query like that. Is that right? Query params, yeah, okay. And then I don't care about the results, error. I do care about the error though. Var viewers, an array of viewer. There we go. Now we'll turn an array of viewers. Well, obviously I haven't specified the lookup request yet, but select, or I guess let's see partition table. Let's see how the logic around this works. Create table, create new partition. Okay, it doesn't seem. I think it's the same as searching. You can just simply say I think I could just do this actually. Now that I think about it, I could probably just do searching in the same ways they have it. Let's see. Inquiries. Ah, here we go. So I think I could do. Where's their example books? Here we go. Okay. So we go model. Let's just change this out. Model. Where, you know, streamer ID is equal to this, and ISO week is in that. So we go ISO weeks and streamer ID like that, right? Yes? No? Maybe? Let's see if I can find an example of them doing this. I think that's right. Let's go in. Ah, in. PG in IDs. Okay, you have to go PG in. Look at that. Cool. Good to know. Alright. Let's move this down to a new line. And then I just go select. Beautiful. Easy. Select just returns an error. Okay. And then if error is not error not equal to nil. Actually, the fact that it only returns an error, I can just do this. Ooh. Actually, no, I can't do that. I just realized. If error is not equal to nil, format error f, fail to fetch streamer viewers for ISO weeks. There we go. Streamer ID, ISO weeks, and then error. And we return that. And if not that, then we return viewers. Beautiful, simple, eloquent. Okay. So this will fetch the streamer IDs at the ISO weeks. Okay, now I gotta hook that up to the Twitch thing, fetch Twitch data. Thankfully right now there's no difference in platforms among the tables, so I don't have to actually specify like Twitch versus YouTube. But when I get there, I'll probably have to do that. I might actually have to modify the database. Oh, that's gonna suck. Yeah, whatever. I'll burn that bridge when I get to it. Alright, what's the first step? Not sure. Well, I guess later on I'm gonna add like query parameters, so I'll have to like look that up in the request. Like header dot, not header, URL query there. Like I get the query parameters from it, but for now I don't have to do that because, well, I'm not adding filtering just yet, so I can just return the raw data as it is. So I guess maybe the first thing is just database.fetch. Yeah, simple enough. Streamer ID. Oh, that's a good point. That's a great thing that I just thought. How do I know which streamer IDs to fetch? Well, Easy enough. Fetch streamers. ISO weeks. There we go. And we return an array of streamers. Or an error. Fetch viewers. Okay. Let's go if the same thing. Do this again, and then var streamers, an array. Okay, so this is how do I want to do this? So for streamers, I need their ID, string, and I need their. I don't think I need to do JSON, and I need their count. I guess their viewership, which is going to be a uint. The reason I'm not making this like a model like viewer is because this is kind of technically different from the streamer I have on oh, the hell is it called? On the database, or on the other backend, the Streamerverse project. Because as you'll see here in a moment, what I'm actually about to fetch isn't the streamers from the streamer table, streamers table, but is the database query streamers ignore it, is actually directly from the viewers table. And you might be thinking, well, you have a streamers table, why aren't you doing that? Well, problem is the streamers table doesn't actually tell me how many viewers they have. It's just not there. And I kind of need to know what their viewership is, the magnitude of their viewership is. I could, and also they also don't tell me what weeks they're related to. Only the viewers table does that. So right now I just have to go through the viewers table based on the ISO weeks and fetch whoever streamers were in those weeks. Group by streamer ID. Yeah, I think that's it. PG in ISO weeks. If error is not equal to nil. Oh, right. Yeah, no, that's fine. And if error is not equal to nil, format dot. Oh, come on, error f. Fail to fetch streamers for ISO weeks. ISO weeks error. Otherwise, return streamers. No. The problem is that yeah. Okay. Now I'll specify this in our models, but it's not technically this. I'll make a comment here. Different from the streamer model seen in the DB. There we go. Type streamer. And then I'll actually add these now because they'll probably be used to return it, and I want the JSON encoder to actually keep track of the values. Or actually, I guess this is val. I just realized that'd be val. In the what's it called? Oh, what was that meme? force graph. The attributes to determine size of the node was called val. That's what I was talking about there. Just for a little context. Var streamers. There we go. Okay, now let's go back to Twitch. Fetch streamers. Okay, this is gonna. For now, I think I'll just hard code this, but I should figure out the actual ISO week that I'm on. I think I'll just keep it as 1 for now, and I might change it to 2 later. Streamers error if error is not no. How do I return? Do right header welcome. DB get article error HTTP error W HTTP error status 400. Is that really all you do? He's not even writing a. I guess that makes sense because I don't really. I'll log it for myself. Error and then HTTP error W. Oh, you can just. Oh, you could give the error there. Okay. HTTP status 500. Easy enough. Or I shouldn't do that. I should go HTTP internal server error. Like I shouldn't just do magic numbers. I should actually specify what I'm using here and then return. Because I don't want to leak the internal error down to people. I just want to be the only one who knows about this. Probably should have like a proper logger. Whatever. I might add that later. For now, it's unnecessary. And then I think. Oh yeah. After this, okay. So after I fetch the streamers, what I want to do is create. What I want to do is create. I want to parse it and I want to compare them all. And what I think I need to do with this is variable weight group, something similar to what I did when fetching it. Sync dot. Come on. Weight group. What do I want to do? Oh, I know what I want to do. I'll make 10 workers as per my usual. Weight group dot add 1 go worker. This will be moved into a separate, not maybe a different package actually. Actually, not a different package, but maybe a sub package of Streamerverse. Maybe just different file, because I don't think it needs to be passed. It doesn't need to go into a different package entirely. Sync weight group. Index uint, or I guess it's an int. And defer weight group done for. Okay, and then what I want to do. I guess then streamers. Okay, I need to export that. I guess I should export these models. Viewer, streamer. streamer, and viewer. There you go. Now that it's exported, I can. Where was I? Twitch. Here we are. Let's close all these. Twitch, and then I can go. Wait group. Fuck, come on. X, and then streamers. Streamer, there we go. If index is greater than or equal to streamers dot length -1, yeah, because if it's equal to the length -1, then it's at the last one. Yeah, this is right. Okay, there we go. And then I want to break out of it when it's at the end. So what I'm doing here is I should wait group dot wait. There we go. What I'm doing here is same as what I did before, where I just add a wait group, which is kind of like a bucket of 10 workers, and it'll wait right here until all 10 workers have completed all their tasks. What it's doing is incrementing the index that was given to each of them by 10, because there's 10 workers. So this will go, like, for example, worker 0 will go to become worker 10 after the first iteration of this loop, and they'll all go through each of the streamers individually and compare them all to each other. And then at the end, I'll have a finished product of all the I'll have a finished product of all the what the fuck are they called, nodes and all the links to actually display it on my front end. So how do we fetch all this data? So we've got the streamers here. Now what we want to do is fetch the viewers for each of them. So if error, or actually, let's say source streamer is equal to streamers at X, or index, then for streamer in range, or actually not, I can't do that, I have to go X starting at index +1, because I don't want to compare it to itself, up to index less, or X less than streams dot length X ++, go through it one at a time. Target streamer equals streams at X, and then do I want to? No, I might. Let's just do this. Format. Actually, no, I won't. I won't print anything. I'll keep some. I'll put some data here. So let's actually do the entire thing. Start time. I'm gonna track how long it takes for my own for my sake right now, just so I can kind of see how slow it is. And do know that any time that is posted here will be slower than the actual runtime, because this is going across the line to my server, which you may think, oh, that's fast, but no. I only have a gigabit line between me and my server, and the amount of data that's going to be transferring, it's going to be way more. It's going to exceed a gigabit. I know this for a fact, because I was testing this during the week, and it just blew my mind to see I was actually being throttled by my network connection. That just threw me off. An entire gigabit line was being fucking used. That's just insane. But, or not failed. Comparing streams took time dot now subtract start. There we go. All right, I gotta that and then that. There we go. Okay, so that'll give me a time lapse of how long it took. Kind of, I guess, not a benchmark per se, but just a timing on it. Now I want to compare them. So let's get the source viewers. And let's get an error as well. So this will be database.fetch viewers, source streamer, and ISO week will be again hard coded. I think I should just make this a global variable for now, so I don't have to keep writing this. Actually, that's a good idea. I'll just do that right now. Constant ISO week equals y 2021 dash week 18, because that's the only week that's complete right now in my database. Week 19 will be done soon because it's currently in the midst of fetching, but it is not done yet. Oh, there we go. And then ID. And then similarly, I guess, if error is not equal to nil, format dot print line fail to fetch streamer viewers. No, source streamer ID. Make sure you always give your errors like proper tags when you're logging them, because if you don't, it's just so much harder to find. It just kills me how sometimes when I'm at my job and the errors are like copy and paste of other errors, and it's just so goddamn hard to figure out what error it was that threw it off. So always tag them like with semi-unique, like punctual tags, so that you can at a glance know, okay, it failed on this person at this person for this reason. Like it just makes coding so much easier. Okay, then what do I want to do? Yeah, I want to do the same thing, but I want to go target viewers, and this will be database.fetch viewers, target streamer .id ISO week. Again, same thing, just this. Fail to fetch to do, and this one's target viewers, or target streamer error. Ta-da! All right, now I got the viewers, and I got the source viewers, and I got the target viewers. Now I need to compare the two. And what the Twitch Atlas author does when he compares them is he actually takes all he does is check to see if they have more than 300 similar viewers. And that's fine, but as you can tell in the center, fuck, I can't open it. I should get the like the Reddit one. Oh, here it is, the higher resolution one. As you might be able to tell, like open image in new tab like this. Like look right here, you can see there are thousands of lines, especially for streamers such as like XQC or Shroud or Nick Merckx. I don't know who that is. Tifu, Tim Tat, or even over here in like the Spanish sphere. Aaron, Ivy, like they have so many links that, and they're also so big that 300 viewers is not a substantial connection in my mind. Like if you were XQC with 50,000 viewers, and I'm comparing it to, let's say, some random Minecraft streamer, Erit. I don't know how many viewers they average, but let's say for argument's sake 5,000. That's like 10% of XQC's viewership. Like right there. And now if I were to say, oh, XQC shares only 300 viewers between these two, that's not significant at all. This guy averages 5,000 viewers. This guy averages 10,000 or 50,000 viewers. How is 300 viewers a significant connection? There's no fucking way that's possible. Like, you have to have a better count, and I think it has to be a percentage base. So I'm thinking it has to be 30%, either 30% of the viewer base of XQC or Erit has to be shared. So like let's say there was 300 viewers shared between XQC and Erit. Is 300 30% of 50,000? No. Is 300 30% of 5,000? No. So they don't have a connection. Now let's say there's 500. No, 500 is 10% again. Let's go 1,000. 1,000 viewers shared. Is the 1,000 10%? Is 1,000 30% of XQC's 50,000? No. Is 1,000 greater than 30% of Erit's 5,000? Yes. I think it is. Don't quote me on that. My math might be wrong, but you get the idea. I want it so that 1,500 is fucking 30% on fucking math. Damn it, Jesus. Yeah. So 1,500 would be 30%. So although it wouldn't be 30% of XQC's, it's 30% of Erit's, and that, in my mind, is enough to say, oh, these two people, they fuck. Like they are together. Like they have a strong connection of viewership, and I think that is the best way of comparing the two. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm basically going to see, okay, how many viewers are shared between them. To do this, I'm going to take... right. I have to... so there's two ways to compare it. Either I can do what I did long ago back when I made the... when I was first making the other backend, the Streamerverse backend, the collection debt backend. I was using arrays, sorting the arrays, and then comparing them. So doing binary search through them. That was memory efficient, but really, well, it wasn't really slow, but it was slow. The better way that I found is to create maps of the two. So going like this, source map. And I just realized the music stopped. There we go. Source map, which is a string to Boolean of source, come on, source viewers dot length. Easy. For viewer in range source viewers, we go source map, add the viewer. Done. And I can make this smaller. This is only 2 bits. I can make it even smaller by going like struct, which is 1 bit. But I'm not going to do that because I don't feel like it. Actually, yeah, no, I'm not going to do it. But you get the idea. Viewer, viewer ID. ID, there we go. Similarly, we have to do the same thing down here with target map, target viewers, target viewers. There we go. We got the target map and the source map. Now we need to compare the two. Well, I don't want to iterate through the larger map, so what I'm going to do is var smaller map string bool var bigger map string bool, and what I want to do then is go if target map dot length is greater than source map dot length, then smaller is equal to source map, bigger is equal to target map, and vice versa. There. So now we have the smaller map and the bigger map properly laid out, so I can iterate through the smaller I can iterate through the smaller map, which would be viewer smaller, and then I can easily do lookups in the bigger map, which is, as if you know Go, if not if you know Go, but if you know programming, lookups are constant time O1, whereas iterations are obviously ON, the length of the smaller one. So I want to iterate to the smaller one to minimize the n, and then look up on the bigger one to make to just speed things up. And if they have a connection, let me go count plus plus, or var, and just go count equals 0, count plus plus. Now, okay, now I want to check to see what the count is. Let's go, or I want to know, is this 10% of either either one of them's viewership, really. So let's go smaller. I'll use target map because I guess I could simplify this by just immediately knowing which one's smaller, which one's bigger, and I don't have to have these in-betweens, like between target and smaller. Optimizations for later. Just mental note that I may not need to have these in-betweens, like source map and target map. I could go straight into smaller, bigger if I know which one ahead of time is smaller and bigger. Although I can't know that until here, and at which point I'd have to either, I'll keep it like this for now. Obviously all this is going to be moved into a different file and like organized, structured better. I don't like pushing this all into just one large function, because that's bad readability. But for now, just to kind of write it out quickly so I can kind of get a scope of what I'm working with. So if, or actually, target percent, let's say. So target map divided by count. And I want this to be a float 30. Actually, let's do this. I can do this, and then I don't actually have to convert it because I can just divide it and then go float 32 of this bad boy. And then if target percent, and then we'll take all this and multiply it by 100, is greater than 30, greater than or equal to, let's say, greater than or equal to 30, then append. I don't know what I'm going to append to yet, but I'll keep that there for now, just so I know. I want to organize this. I could just do this, I guess. I can go continue, and then do the same thing here, and then call it source percent is greater than or equal to 30. Append. Continue. Well, I don't need to continue at this point, but like that, and then source map like that. Okay. Source percent like that. Okay, and continue. Let's go to the next one. Yep, that's fine. Now I need to append it to something to keep track that it actually has a link. For now, I'm just gonna make this a global variable because I just checked and I'm at 2 hours 30, so I'm gonna try to wrap this up quickly. So let's create a links, which is just an array of source. Let's actually define this here. Type link struct source string JSON target string JSON and wait uint JSON. There we go. That's a link, and so we will return var links, an array of link, and then we'll have function append link source let's go wait uint source target string, and then links dot append assign link source target wait. There we go. The reason I'm separating this out is because I'll actually add this right now. Appending to an array is not a thread safe. Yeah, that's the word. It's not a thread safe. So that means I have to lock it and then defer the lock before writing to the array. Or else, if I write to the array at the same time, I may lose data, or the data may be corrupt, which obviously I don't want. So I have to be careful about I gotta be careful about how do I want to phrase it? How I go about appending it, or else, if, as I just said, it could be corrupt, depending on if two of the workers try to write to this array at the same time. Yeah, I think that's the right way. Count source streamer and then target streamer. Oh, right. I'll just convert it there. Ta-da! Why are these mad? Oh, that's why. There we go. And that'll make all the links. I guess I could just do this. And then ID. And then I don't have to do this every single time. There we go. And this will append every single link. And then at the very end of all this, I will then error JSON new encoder, W encode links. Format dot print line. Fail to write links to response. And this is the error. There. The reason I'm able to do this is because this is a read response, which implements the read writer functionality of an encoder, IO writer, as you can see there. So I can write whatever the hell I want to the header.
I've forgotten how to act like a normal human being. And I play games, I lie, and I trick people to avoid the truth of how I feel.
What the fuck is this
The
bullshit?
idea of letting anyone close to me is
Fuck that, that's weird. Some of this music on this playlist is fucking strange. Yeah, gotta do this again. There we go. I should follow my own guidelines and... Or no, I guess the tag's already there from the return, so I don't care about writing in. Okay, and then there we go. It should write to the response, the JSON, which is link, which is this. And this should be good. This might be a bit slow, because again, I'm reading from my server over my gigabit Ethernet, which you may think that's a lot of data to be transferring, and it is. I definitely need like a 10 gigabit line if I want to like run this locally on my machine without any throttling, and I might be able to show it off if I can pull up the task manager, if it actually does go as I think it will. And some other improvements would be storing these mappings so that I don't have to recreate them each time, because this takes a while. Like, you might not think this takes that long, but imagine doing this for 1,000 people 4,900 times. That's stupid. That's annoying. So it's better to save them later to fetch, which I would do. The fuck? Jesus. Some of these fucking songs are trash. Hot garbage over here. Whatever. Right, saving the mappings, which I'll probably do maybe tomorrow or off stream, but I think this should be good. Let's go ahead and give it a run. Let's see if it breaks. Probably won't connect to the database, I just realized, because I don't have the yeah, there it is. Yeah, it wasn't able to, because the config doesn't have the Postgres URI in it. Let's see, what's the Postgres connection URI? Didn't mean to do that. There we go. Just reframe that. There we go. Don't know what that was, but okay. Let's see examples. Here it is. Okay, so other at localhost. Don't know what other means, but I'm just gonna go like this. Host. It's on the standard port, so I don't care. And the database is called Streamerverse. SSL mode. Disable. Okay, the only thing I need to add is login details, I think. Oh, that's what that other was. Okay. So, user and pass. I need to add that. And I also need to add the IP address to get this to go. Okay. Let me move this off screen briefly while I do that. You can admire the Golang docs while I do this. I gotta write in the username and password, and then I also gotta remember what the IP address is. I think this is it. Hopefully I'm right. Is it double slash? No, it's not double slash. Okay, let me run this to make sure it isn't printed by accident. Huh? Why, hello there. Okay, did it work? I'm not sure. Let's open up PG admin, I guess, at the same time. Okay, I think it worked. Alright, let's give it a shot, I guess. See if it works. 127.0.0.1 8080 slash Streamerverse slash data slash Twitch. How am I? There we go. I just had a giant brain fart there. Forgot how to spell Twitch for a second. That should be it. Ah, okay. So yeah, it worked. Ta-da. Let me go ahead and go like this, and then we'll just put this up here. Alright, so as you can see there, I made the request and it failed because the column doesn't exist because I'm an idiot and I specified a plural instead of a singular, like that. Alright, let's go ahead and rebuild it. The logger's not on, so I don't think I'm at risk of showing something I shouldn't. But as you can see there, it returned a server error as it should. Let's go ahead and run this again. Okay. Ah. I believe the proper way to handle this was to, if I remember correctly from the docs, is to do a PG scan. If I'm remembering correctly, I think there's a way to do this. Executing custom queries. Column first join. That's count. No. Map. That's inserting. It's updating. How do I do this? I wonder if it's doing that because it sees that the model name. It might be trying to, yeah. Can I specify a different table name? Let's see. Table. From table. Is this really the only way to do it? That's kind of icky. I don't want to... Like, I want to go to viewers, but I think it's overriding that and going straight into streamer. Or model streamer, yeah. Because of the naming of this. Even though I don't want it to do that. How do I override this, I wonder? I could... I could do this. I guess I'll do this for now. I don't like doing this, but... I'll override it using this, and then just fix it later. Yeah. I'll override it with this just to fix it later. Oh, another one. What? Did I not do this right? Failed to fetch streamers for ISO week, blah blah blah. PG can't find column streamer ID in model streamer. What? I did that. Table name. Table name PG viewers. Do I have to go like this? Select that. Table name. What the fuck? Why is this being like this? Why is it ignoring the specification that it clearly says that should be how it is? I'll call this node then, I guess. Fuck. Let's see what happens when I call this node. Everything breaks is what happens. Oh, beautiful. More compilation errors. There we go. Model note. Like, why does it keep doing this? I don't understand. Like, this is so... I hate this fucking library sometimes with its stupid, like, naming schematics where you can't overload it. It's like, I'm clearly telling it in the... Where is it? router, load, whatever. Twitch, here we go. I'm clearly telling it, or I guess it would be fetch Twitch data. Yeah, worker here. Clearly telling it from viewers, but it's just like, no, I don't like you. You don't get to decide what fucking bullshit you query with. No, I don't want to do that. Where's the stupid logging thing? And alright, let's go look at writing queries again, I guess. Because apparently the thing doesn't like overriding. Okay, alright, let's see. Query 1 query. Select users from select from users. Like, am I okay? Am I just looking at the wrong thing? Find place. Fail to fetch streamer. No, it's literally right here. This is the problem. This line is the problem. Like, this says that I could select it from user. Well, I guess they're the same, so that would make sense why it's. Like, can I not override what table? Like, let's see. Go PG. Override table. Select override table. Like, I'm not even doing model, but it's just like, oh, you have to be specifying model. You have to do what we tell you to. So annoying.
I play games, I lie, and I trick people to avoid the truth of how I feel.
That doesn't seem to be it either. I can't. Let's see. I could just do this. Problem if I do that is that I can't specify the return properly, which is really annoying. Where is this used? Let's see. Nah, it's used here, so I can't just make it private. It annoys me. Like, this really is annoying because, like, it says here, when defining the model, you can give it a custom table name, but that clearly doesn't do diddly squat because it just wants to. It clearly wants to just look at whatever it's specified. Because if I fetch this again, like, what is this garbage? Why does it keep doing that? I should probably figure out the logging, I guess, just so I can see what the actual query is. Go PG log queries. What is it again? That's not it. Here it is. It's in the FAQ for some stupid reason. Here it is. Okay, and then database connect. I guess I should put it down here actually. Go mod. Actually, I can just do that. And there we go. Now log its damn queries. Select one, yeah. And then if I do this. Yeah, see, look at that bullshit. Oh, wait, what? Fill the fish. What? Oh, hold on. What's going on here? That is clearly not what it's logging. That's clearly not what it's fetching by the fact that it's going model node. Where is this? Where am I? I'm in database. Here it is. Did it literally just print out the query but not tell me what the planner was doing? That is such garbage. Like, fuck off. Like, it just literally printed out my query, what I wanted, but it doesn't tell me what it's doing. Like, this is just so frustrating. Maybe if I go model, then it'll fucking do what I want, which is so dumb. I hate this. Model select streamer ID and count. Let's just remove all that and go query model where database. Writing queries. No, I guess it's not. It's column. ISO week in PG in ISO weeks. Do and do. There we go. Who knows? Maybe this will have the ticket. Which is just stupid that I have to do this, but hey, who knows? Let's see. Oh my god, you fuck off. That actually worked. But now it's complaining about something. I think I know what it is. It wants me to do this. There. Oh, right, and I forgot the group. There we go. That's so annoying that that actually worked. I'll add the comment again. Might actually just actually no. Let's keep that as node. Undo renaming. Yeah, I think I like node. Because that's what it's called when you that's what the actual nomenclature is for the graphing. There's nodes and links, and so this is technically a node and it's not the streamer, which would be something slightly different. Okay, doesn't like me doing that apparently. Let's see, what can I do then? Column title text. How can I specify to return account? Like, I want to return account with it. Oh, there we go. Column expression, okay. And then column expression count. There we go. I think that should be right. Beautiful. So you can see here how slow this is. Fucking Christ, you gotta be shitting me. You have to... Oh my god, I'm gonna murder somebody every time this fucking happens. Why? Why did it add this as node? That's so annoying. Okay, hold on. Maybe I can do table viewers and it'll fuck right off. No. Okay, let's get rid of this. Let's see what happens when I get rid of that. Node. Let's remove this. My God. This is infuriating. I hate this query builder. I honestly do. It is one of the worst things I've ever had to deal with. I'm on 3 hours now. This is... It just doesn't want to be cooperative. Where was this thing? Let's try that. Oh my god, finally. Christ. What? Why? Why is this query builder so trash? Fuck. That's so annoying. Like, it just refuses to think of it as anything except for node. Like, and if I add table name here, maybe I might get lucky. There. Let's try this now. Oh my god, it really blows. Like, it honestly just fucking sucks ass that you can't do this. Like, what fucking genius decided, oh, hey, I'm just gonna make it so that, yeah, you can't actually query by anything custom. I'm just gonna override every single thing you do with my bullshit. Like, that's just fucking a pain in the ass. Like, all I want to do is fetch some custom data, and then it's just like, oh, you want to do that? Oh, you little baby wants to get his data? No, fuck you. Like, why? Why are you like this? Why is this so difficult? I just want to fetch the viewers. Like, it works, apparently, and then it doesn't work, apparently. It just baffles my mind to think that somebody wrote this thinking, oh, hey, I'm smarter than the person writing the query, so they should just be fucked in the ass every time they want to do whatever they want. So annoying. Let me add this again, because this was working up to a point here before I start going backwards. Huh? What? I don't understand. Hello? Okay, I'm just gonna write that in there just to make sure I'm not hallucinating, and then there's just some other place that it's putting this. No, okay, I'm not. This is the error. This fuck. Where is it? No, that's not what I want. I thought I could maybe scan the individual things in. This is something else. I'll tell you what.
Deception because of unspoken things, more or less I'm just an outcast, feeling like an alien hiding behind a black mask, always stuck in the past.
Maybe, oh fuck it, I'll cave. Well, I'll cave and do this. This is gonna be so stupid. Oh, this is dumb. I'm gonna cave, and I'm gonna do it the stupid way.